Hi, students. Sorry I can't be there today, but I am still here to talk you through your Finding King Arthur quest log. So you've already brought it up on Classcraft, and you notice that there are two documents. One is the quest log. So when you do that, you need to do File, Make a Copy, right? Do your own. And the other is the King Arthur web quest. So let's start with the quest log. This is where you're going to document everything that you find in the web quest. Make sure you follow the directions if you want full credit. Answer the prompts in depth, meaning fully answer the questions. Write and complete sentences. The easiest way to do that is to restate the question. I'll talk about that in a minute. They need to be in your own words, right? No copying and pasting your or somebody else's answers or answers that you find online. And they should be about 3 to 5 sentences in length each. All right. It looks a little scary. There's only 9 though, and the readings are quite short. Okay, I'm going over to the web quest, and right now this just looks like a big mess, right? Hard to figure out. This is a hypertext, so you need to go to the first slide and hit present. My cat's over here. I don't know if you can see her. All right, so mostly there's arrows and things to click on so you can figure out this first one. We need to go to the castle. This is going to take you through the entire quest. Basically, you're taking on the role of a knight. You're going to be brave, noble, chivalrous, and studious. I'm not going to read this whole thing. I think you can do that. But basically, you're searching for information about King Arthur, and you're going to return it to the queen safely. I should probably change that to Game Master at some point. All right, so we got a little button here. It says Next. I'm clicking that. It's a map. It's really simple. You just go in order. That's all this is saying is to do that and to record all the information in your quest log. You're just going to hit Next. All right, basically links are going to be blue. All right. Now, if you find yourself stuck, ask other students in the class, for some help. Don't copy their answers, but ask them for help. All right, here we go. Okay, so there's the map. You can see it begins here, sword in the stone. You just follow the arrows around, right? And each of these is clickable. So if you need to get back to the directions, you go here. Let's say we want to begin with task number 1. It tells us that the Arthurian legend begins with the myth of the sword and the stone. So you just click here. It says, what does the myth of the sword and the stone tell us? Well, click here to be sent on your task. So you're going to just read through. You can see how really short these are, right? So what does that myth tell us? The question will be on the slide. You're going to go and then you're going to answer it in complete sentences. After you finish your first task, you'll hit Map, and then you'll move on to the second. All right, and they all kind of look the same. They all have the map icon here. The question will always be on the slide. I clicked ahead. Yeah, you don't want to click anywhere else or it's going to advance you to the next slide. It's not going to make much sense. So make sure you're hitting those buttons or links. And this one's about Camelot, right? You're going to describe what the city was like during this time. So if you're trying to reach your number of sentences, use a sentence starter, right? During the medieval period, Camelot was, and describe it. Right? Just restate the question in some kind of way. It will work. All right, this is due on Thursday, so you need to make sure you're using your time wisely. I noticed some people are a little behind on a few of the assignments. Push through those. Grades are coming up towards the end of the month, so we have time now to kind of get more work in and bring them up. All right, if you have questions, just send me a help ticket through Classcraft. I hope you guys are having a great day.